has auto tune on.
He's just like making fun of sounds.
Wait, butterfly. I'm gonna do the butterfly.
Butterfly?
That's too loud, Kenny.
Is the butterfly flying? And then it landed.
I could sing playing with this for hours.
I'm sorry I introduced him.
I'm not being that loud. It's got a perfectly fine speaker.
It's vibrating.
It's vibrating because she has auto tune on.
No, it's vibrating because you're
No, it's because I'm going into the mic.
You sound like a horse.
It's like behind me. It's really annoying. That was scary.
Taylor, your brother's very weird.
Wait, really? Okay. Give me something you want me to imitate, like a sound.
A horse.
Okay.
Possessive.
What?
Possessed.
Possessed?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hey guys, what's going on? Wait, what just happened?
Or give me another one. I feel like the guy off of Prairie Home Companion who makes the sound effects.
Wait. Santa Claus.
Wait.
What was that sound up on the roof? Holy crap, it's Santa Claus! Merry Christmas! What the heck was that?
What?
He said help.
Yeah, I said help.
That's what I heard.
A whip.
Do you think that's funny?
They're here.